All right, one of my favorite ways to fish is with a jig. One of the reasons why it's my favorite way to fish is when you're jig fishing, you're in close quarters with the fish. Usually, you're flipping and pitching a structure that's not that far away from you. We were flipping and pitching to pylons, and the best thing about it is when you set the hook on that fish. I mean, you sometimes your line just ticks, and sometimes the lure swims away. And when you set that hook, I mean, you're setting that hook to cross that fish's eyes. I mean, you're setting as hard as you can. You got to get that jig to bury that hook in deep, because that fish is going to tear and go nuts. So it's one of my ultimate favorite ways to catch them. I can't express what it feels like when you rear back and that thump when you just set that hook on that fish is just an awesome feeling. Good one. That's a good one.
Hey, good. Grab that camera.
There you go. Upper Chesapeake Bay, largemouth. Couple little jig fish in here. That's a solid 3-pound bass. This is the type of bass that you're fishing for on the Upper Chesapeake Bay. I don't know what else to say. It's been a great day fishing. We're here to keep on fishing. We're going to see if we can catch a couple more. And this is how you get it done.
J3 fishing, this song's the fool.
Sure like to take his